This initiative for us is about team spirit as a company. It's about energy. It's about football. It's about bringing people together.
I also wish for a successful tournament. May the best team win. Of course, Nigeria.